Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jonathan with JKV Homestead. We've got a little bit of a different look going on here as we are spending the next 10 days out of the tent. As you've seen in the opening video there, we're at TNT Fireworks over here on Bloomingdale Avenue, selling fireworks with my brother, as we do every New Year's and every 4th of July. So if you want, come out here and see us at the tent, get some good product. No duds guarantee. I'll give you a quick tour around here and show you some of the prices that we've got. Ever so famous poppets. Ground blooms for just $1. Some adult fire poppets. Gotta get them red snappers while they last. One of our best-selling objects that we have here. Get you some of those smoke grenades. Just $5. Get into some of the big bang stuff here. El Presidente and Mamacita, brand new this year. Only $34.99 here at TNT. We got your buy one, get one free cakes. Some bigger booms. Of course, we got those trays. That big timer right there. Only $280. You can't beat that, guys. Lots of bang. 8 of them bad boys. Little kids sack packs. Of course, we got them Roman candles. A lot of 70% off items in here this year, guys. Come check us out. Got them sparklers. You know. Come get them while they last. All them 70% off items, guys. Bottle rockets, so you can have your bottle rocket war. Big deluxes, look at those, look at those. They won't last long, guys, and we only got 2 in stock. Come get them. Buy one, get one free on some artillery shells. Premium canisters. And them next levels, them things are a loud, loud boom, y'all. Some 6-inch canisters. The Mad Dog. 7-inch shells this year, guys. 7-inch shells. Come around here, get a picture of the other side here so you can see. Oh, wait, let's not forget America's best of the best. Look at this, guys. I want you to see triple brakes. Not only do we have triple brakes in this one, but we also have quad brakes. That means when you send that shell up, it's going to break 4 times in the sky with some pretty color. I only got 3 in stock. Come get them while they last. They won't last long.